Hello everyone. I'm about to make a video about how to sign into Math 19 if this is your first time teaching the course. So the first thing you would need to do is sign into your JetNet online classes or sign into JetNet. Okay, after you sign into JetNet, you need to go to the Math Department online repository. Now you need to scroll down to where you get to My Math Lab Faculty Tips and Tricks, but you're going to click on the My Math Lab Lead Faculty Course IDs. Now, after you click here, you will scroll down till you come to the Math 019 course, and you need the program ID. Now, what we're going to do before we use this program ID, what I want you to do is copy it. And then we will go to another tab here and go to mymathtest.com. Now to sign into My Math Test, you'll click Sign In, and you will use the same username and password that you use for a My Math Lab. Okay, now after you sign in, you will click Enter My Math Test. And then what you will need to do is go down here under Instructor where it says Program Manager. Now under Program Manager, you will not have this list of classes. I have this list because I've been teaching this course for a while. But what you would need to do is go to Create or Copy a Program. Now, once you click on here, it says Type of Program to Create. You will click on Standard. And then Program Name, you could name, I would suggest you name your course 019 and whatever section number you have. So I'll just say Math 019 hyphen 5000. So I won't copy anybody's course. Now it has a couple things here that you can select, but what I would suggest is clicking on Copy a Program by specifying its program ID. You will click here, and then since you copied it in the previous screen, I will click on Switch to Single Box, and then I will paste it. Okay, so now, is this the program you want to copy, and it has New Shell Course Jerome Gibson? This is the one that you want to copy, and you will click Next. Now we come here. It says that the type of program created is a standard program name, which is the name of your course. And then it also has program availability. Now I would suggest that you start with whatever date that you sign into it, and then end with the end date of the course. So let's just say that the course ends in the fall of 2017. So it's 3 weeks from the start of the semester. So basically, if you go to possibly about September, maybe the 30th, that will cover all of the time in the class. Now, you do not want to click down here with this program is not available to students. You don't want to do that. And you don't need to click on allow other instructors to copy the program. In the time zone, we are in the Eastern time zone. Okay, now we click Next. Now we come here. It says here it's the same thing from the previous page with the type of program, program name. And then we go here to section Instructor Access. You want to click on, make sure that it's clicked on Grant Full Instructor Access. And then other restricted access privileges, edit Ask My Instructor, edit course roster. So that's fine. And you'll click Next. Now here you do not need to click on anything here. Everything is fine and set up. So you would just press Next, and then it will give you this warning. Don't worry about the warning. The only reason why it's giving you this warning is because we're not using everything that's in My Math Test. We're only using specific things for this course. So you will press OK. Now it has the name again, and then the program name, and then you would just scroll down here. All of these are okay. You don't need to click on the calculator, and you will press save. And then it has a warning here. Don't worry about the warning, just press OK. Now your course is created. Now here's the thing with your course being created. You have a new program ID. This program ID is specific to your course. So you need to use this program ID for when your students sign in. Now I would tell you also, I want to show you this with the syllabus. Well, I want to pull up the syllabus, so we will go back here to the Math Department Online Repository. We'll go back, click here, and then what you would do is go down to Math 19, and then you will go under Course Materials. Now in the Course Materials, what you will want to click on is the syllabus. Now, with the syllabus, you notice that this is a standard blank syllabus here. We already have the My Math Test Student Access Code. Now, this is the access code that we have been using for years, and most likely we will continue to use this access code. And if it changes, I definitely will email you about the changes. Now, if you notice here, of course, you'll put your instructor name, your office phone number, email, and so on, class time, office hours, but it has course program ID. So we will go back here to the new course you created, and you can copy this here, copy it, and then you can paste it right onto your syllabus. Now what this does is this here. When the students are signing into the course, not only would they need this My Math Test Student Access Code, but they also would need the course program ID. So please make sure that you include your course program ID into your syllabus, which would make it a lot easier for the students to sign into My Math Test. I also made another video of showing you how to go step by step signing in your students. So what I would do is I will make both videos available so you can see how you would sign in as an instructor and also how the students would sign in.